RDDT, stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Reddit stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Look man, I'm the only guy in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos that has documented them all. So I have seen what's working for me and what's not and been showing you. With Reddit, it's pumping, you know, I like that. But with this big of a gap, I just am hoping I see a little pull down, mate. Like, bruv. Unless the price corrects down a bit, there's just no way that I'm immediately going to long, right? So I just hope I see some corrections. With Reddit, I do have a good amount of 7 results here in the Discord as well. But yeah, that's all, you know. Like, beforehand here, I was also buying, so that was Gucci. If you want to learn how I'm making... Whilst it was 108, right? So we've came a long way. And yeah, overall target 230 now. So let me know what is your opinion. Stay tuned, and if you want free stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.